Remember the double clickjacking attack that went viral recently? It's this clever trick where attackers lure victims into double clicking to verify that they are human. But when they go for that second click, it actually lands on the allow button that grants invasive permissions to malicious apps. And this happens so fast it'll be too late when you notice it. In this case, the attacker gets full read-write access to victims' Google Drive. Do passkeys protect you from double clickjacking attacks? Passkeys are a relatively new authentication standard introduced to combat the inherent vulnerabilities of passwords, from phishing to credential stuffing, and are designed to provide both better security and a more seamless login experience. People usually expect passkeys to protect them from phishing and social engineering attacks since they're marketed as this super secure replacement for passwords. The victim has enabled passkeys in this demo, and let's take a look at how the double clickjacking attack plays out in this case. With passkeys enabled, the double clickjacking attack still occurs as usual because the attack exploits the timing of your clicks on the user interface rather than trying to steal your login credentials, making the authentication method irrelevant to the attack's success. Only an advanced browser security solution that actively monitors OAuth transactions in real time can effectively protect against double clickjacking attacks. By intercepting and analyzing OAuth permission requests before they reach the user, SquareX can detect suspicious patterns and block potentially malicious authorization screens immediately. The key is to prevent the OAuth permission screen from even appearing when risky scopes are detected, essentially stopping the attack chain before the user has a chance to be tricked into granting invasive permissions. Enterprise administrators receive instant alerts when high-risk OAuth attempts are detected, giving them real-time visibility into emerging attack patterns and techniques targeting their organization. SquareX empowers security teams in building a comprehensive understanding of novel threats like double clickjacking to better strengthen their security posture. Head over to sqrx.com for more demos.